Good morning, students. In this video, you will learn about some charts in Excel. So in today's class, you will learn that how you can insert a chart in Excel according to your table. So now let's begin with this video. Charts in Excel. So in previous video, you will learn about the some Excel's functions. Okay, that how you can insert formula and how you can apply the functions, which is a predefined formula in Excel. So in this video, you will learn about the chart, that how you can insert a chart in Excel. So creating charts in Excel, in MS Excel, like a lot of data is stored in Excel workbooks, and this data can often be difficult to interpret. It is easy to understand and analyze the large amount of data when it is represented as a chart. So what is the mean of chart? So chart is a pictorial representation of data in a worksheet. So this is the definition of the chart. The chart is a pictorial representation of the data in a worksheet. So you can create chart from the worksheet very easy and find answer to your questions like who was the obtained the highest marks from the chart. So Excel has the various type of chart. You can choose the one of that represent of your data in the most effective way. So you can insert a chart from the chart group under insert tab. Then how you can insert a chart in your MS Excel sheet, we will learn in the this upcoming video. So now let's talk about the some component of chart. So here you can see this picture is known as a chart. So this is a example of a chart which is a, you can say it's a column chart. Okay, so we will talk about some component about this chart. So let us first understand the different component of the chart. These part can be customized as per your need and point option available in Excel. So here we have for a five member Atul, Raman, Samir, Manoj, and Hari. Okay, so here there are the two column, which is one column is shown as a blue bar and second column is shown as a pink or red bar. Okay, so this is the format of a sales chart. So we will talk about the different area and different part of this chart. So first one is chart area. So what is the mean of chart area? So this section, okay, the whole section of in this square on this rectangular portion. So this is known as a chart area. So is the largest element of covering the complete chart area. All other component like legend chart, chart titles, and the plot area are the element inside the chart area. Okay, so this is the call as a chart area. Now second we will talk about this portion. Okay, so this is this part. So plot area. So is the second largest element in the chart. It covers the actually data area in the chart. Okay, so this portion. Okay, we are talking about this portion. Okay, so this portion is shown as a particular chart of your table. Now the third point is chart title. Okay, so is the main title of the chart. Let it tell the user what the chart is about, and it is generally placed at the top. Okay, so third one is here. So here we can see the title of the chart. Then fourth one is this number. Okay, this is a vertical numbers. So what we will call it sorry, y axis. So it's a vertical axis which is also called a value axis. It is generally show as the data range value. Now the x-axis, so x-axis you where you can see, so here. So these all name is placed in the x-axis. Okay, so the horizontal mean you can say the horizontal the layout is a x-axis, and the vertical the scenario, this scenario is known as a y-axis. So it is just as your graph, you if you are using graph in your maths. Okay, so the vertical portion is known as a y-axis and the horizontal line is known as a x-axis. So x-axis is the horizontal axis, which is also called a category axis. It shows the categories of out of the data on x-axis. Now axis styles. So there are the two axis styles in Excel chart. X-axis has the categories. So your x-axis title would be the column name, and y-axis for the value, and so it has the unit in thousand and etc. Okay, so this is the title. Okay, so we are calling this sales and salesman name. Okay, so here you can see. So these are the 6 point which is axis titles. Okay, Now second one is legend. So chart legend help us to distinguish between different category of the data. So legends provide the color definition for the each category of the data. So where you can see it, so here, okay. So in the chart, in the you can see at the bottom part, or you can see at a right part, you can see this one, okay. So this is the color representation of the data, so this is called as a legend. Now fifth one, data label. So it represents the value of the single data item from the work from the sheet on the chart. So this include the value, category name, series name, legend keys, and the legend values form the worksheet cell. So we can choose what we want to display without making the chart look cluttered. Now 9.1 is grid line. Okay, so they run across the value parallel to the x-axis and the y-axis. They help to quickly understand the value without looking at the exact value. Okay, so where you can see the grid line here, ninth number. Okay, so these line, okay, so these the horizontal line, you can say the grid line. So by this line you can see the exact value of your bar or your column. Okay, so these are line also known as a grid line. So you can find it as a horizontal mean x-axis, or you can find it in a vertical axis, okay, like a y-axis. Okay, so these all are the component, nine component, which we can see in a chart. So now let's talk about next, which is the type of chart. So there are the several type of chart we can use in Excel. Okay, so whenever we enter the data into the table format and we just want to picturize it in different type of charts, so there are the several type of chart we can use it. So there are the some example, which is like a pie chart, column chart, bar chart, and etc. So we will talk about it. So first of all, so charts are used to display the series of the numeric data in the form of graph. So this is also show a relationship between the different series of data. So Excel has the several different types of the chart. You need to choose the one of the best suit to your data. Let us see the different type of charts available. So we shall create a chart using the worksheet of the cells. Okay, so we will learn that how you can create chart in the last of this video. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about the pie chart. So what is the mean of pie chart? So this is the picture of the pie chart. So here, this chart is known as a pie chart. So a pie chart can be used to display a one series of data. It is the type of chart that value for the that series are displayed as a proportional slices of the piece of contribution to make it 100%. Okay, so whenever we insert the pie chart, so in this type of chart, we can see the slices of that particular circle, just like your pizza. Okay, so each slice depend on that number which that particular slice show. Okay, so whenever the number is greater, okay, so the slice size of slice is greater, and the number is lesser, then the slice size of slice is lesser. Okay, so if we select a multiple series of the data, Excel will make the chart using the data of the first series of only. Okay, so if we select a multiple series, so that type of chart show only the first series. Now we will talk about the column. Okay, so here in this first picture, we had seen that this is the column chart. So now we will talk about it, that how you can define the column chart. So a column chart show the comparison between one and more series of the data points in a effective manner. So the vertical axis always display the numeric value, and the horizontal axis display the category. So you can see the in horizontal axis, okay, axis is every time it show the categories, and the vertical axis, like mean y-axis, always show the numeric data. Clustered column chart is especially useful in the comparing multiple data series. It is easy to compare as Excel use the different color for the each series. Now it's time for the bar chart. So just like a column chart, it show as a vertically. So whenever we turn it as a horizontal, so we can say this is the type of a bar chart. So a bar chart like a column chart, just laying on its side. Okay, so जैसे ही हम लोगों ने इसको बस ऐसा ले किया है ना, हल्का सा इसको जैसे कि आपने इसको रोटेट कर दिया, तो जो कॉलम चार्ट है वो आपका कैसे कहलाएगा, बार चार्ट एज ए कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ द बार चार्ट. A bar chart display and compare the large number of the series better than the other chart types. The new version of the Excel provide the option using the cylinder, pyramid, and the cone instead of the bar. Okay, so the new version of Excel, in that particular new version, you can choose to, in a bar chart, instead of that column, instead of that bar, you can use the cylinder, okay, pyramid and cone. Now line chart. So this is the simplest chart you can see. Okay, so this is the picture of the line chart. Okay, so line chart is an effective display to the trend over the time period. Okay, so it is used whenever we show the trend or whenever we show the growth of that particular business or particular items. Okay, so the vertical y-axis always display the numeric values, and the horizontal axis display the category as the bar chart or column chart. The line chart equally good for the displaying the trend, multiple series in the sale and production, etc. So this is the known as a line chart. So here you also can see the horizontal bar, which is show the category, and the vertical bar shows the numbers, numeric data. Now area chart. So area chart is like a line chart, except that area below the plot line is solid. Okay, so वी कैन से अगर इस लाइन के नीचे जस्ट हमने क्या किया है कि इस पूरे एरिया को क्या कर दिया, सॉलिड कर दिया या फिर फिल कर दिया, तो ये ऐसा क्या कहलाएगा आपका एरिया चार्ट. सो सीरीज विथ lesser value may completely hidden behind the series with a greater value. Okay, so this is a known as a area chart. So at the last of this video we will insert the different type of chart. Okay, so बने रहिए इस वीडियो के साथ में. आप इस वीडियो के लास्ट में आप लोग सीख पाएंगे कि हम लोग कैसे इंसर्ट करते हैं इस चार्ट को. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग एक बार देख लेते हैं हमारी बुक से कि और कितने टाइप के चार्ट्स हो होते हैं. So now let's talk about the scatter chart. So scatter chart is used horizontal and the vertical axis to plot the data point, and thus are the similar to the line graph. Both the axes display the numeric value and they show the relationship between the number in a several data series. Okay, so this is the picture of the scatter chart. So here there is a no line but point you can see here. So it gets scatter chart can have mark for the data point which are plotted, or they can also be connected by the line when there are too many data points. So charts can be created in a two-way: embedded charts and the chart sheet. Okay, embedded charts are the created in the chart in the sheet from which data is selected. Okay, and the chart sheet is created when the chart is added a new sheet in the same workbook. It contained only the chart. That how you can insert the creating a chart from the insert tab. Okay, so to create a chart from the insert tab, you can follow these steps. Okay, all the 1 2 3 steps you can follow, or you can see here with the practical example. So here you can see, so here we are creating the chart. So after this, watching this video, you are able to insert a chart in MS Excel. So just look at here. So here we have three columns. There is a table. In this table, we have three columns. Like the first one is roll number, name, and percentage. So there is a four member or four student. You can say first one is Sonam, then second Rishabh, Balpreet, and fourth Sangeeta. So here it's a column or the percentage of the particular person. Okay, so how you can insert a chart? So to insert a chart, we just need to select. Okay, we just select this one. Okay, so how you can select? You just click on that particular button. Sorry, click on that particular cell. Then don't release click button. Okay, without releasing click button, just drag here mouse and select the both section. Okay, now you can release your click button. Then click on the insert tab, and here you can see the different type of charts. Okay, so whatever you want to choose or whatever you want to insert the chart, you just need to click on that particular chart. So here we just first insert a column chart. So column chart को insert करने के लिए यहाँ पे क्लिक किया. यहाँ पे आप लोग कोई सा भी चूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आपको कौन से शेप में चाहिए. अगर 3D में चाहिए 3D में, सिलेंडर में चाहिए सिलेंडर में, अगर कोन के शेप में चाहिए तो कोन के शेप में. ओके, फर्स्ट वन मैं आपको बता देता हूँ 2D। तो 2D कैसे करेंगे? सो 2D कॉलम करने के लिए जस्ट उसको क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है। सो जैसे आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे चार्ट इंसर्ट हो जाएगा। इसको ड्रैग करके हम लोग यहाँ ले आते हैं, ठीक है। सो ये आ गया। देखिए सोनम जो है उसके क्या है 86 से 88 के बीच में है, मतलब कि 87 के लगभग बता रहा है। तो देखिए 77 के लगभग, तो 77.5। ऋषभ के देखते हैं, ऋषभ का क्या है 72 और 74 के बीच में है। सो ये 70 आपका 3 के लगभग आ रहा है, तो 73 पॉइंट देखिए। सो दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल फॉर्मेट ऑफ द आर टेबल। ओके, सो अगर आपको इसका डिजाइन चेंज करना है तो डिजाइन चेंज करने के यहाँ पे डिजाइन वाला ऑप्शन है, इसको क्लिक करके रखिए। यहाँ पे आप लोग आफ्टर क्लिकिंग दिस ऑल यू कैन चेंज द design of that particular chart. Okay, so after clicking on that different type of color you can choose the different color. Okay, अब एक बार देख लेते हैं, वापस सेलेक्ट करते हैं और कॉलम चार्ट में ही हम लोग दूसरा चूज करते हैं। जैसे सपोज करो हम लोग लेते हैं सिलेंडर, तो सॉरी कोन ले लेते हैं। तो कोन को क्लिक करते हैं तो कोन देखिए ये, तो ये जो शेप आया वो सीधा कोन के शेप में आ गया। ओके, सो अगर आपको कलर चेंज करना है तो हियर आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस बार यू कैन चेंज द कलर। ओके, और अगर आपको फॉर्मेट चाहिए तो इस तरीके से आप लोग इसको चूज कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट ए कॉलम चार्ट इन योर एक्सेल सी। ओके, सो वापस इसको डिलीट। ओके, इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू डिलीट द चार्ट यू जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर चार्ट एंड प्रेस द डिलीट बटन। आफ्टर प्रेसिंग दैट डिलीट बटन यू कैन डिलीट। ओके, आई एम डिलीटिंग दिस वन आल्सो, ये दिस वन। अगर आपको कुछ और चार्ट्स इंसर्ट करने हैं तो क्या करना है, वापस सेलेक्ट कीजिए, इंसर्ट टैब में जाइए। इंसर्ट टैब में क्लिक करने के बाद में हियर यू कैन चूज द एनी टाइप ऑफ चार्ट। लाइन चार्ट करते हैं, लाइन चार्ट करने के लिए इस पे क्लिक किया, देखिए लाइन आ गई। अगर लाइन कलर चेंज करनी है तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन चेंज द लाइन चार्ट। ओके, लाइन चार्ट करने के बाद में वापस हम लोग वापस सेलेक्ट करते हैं। अब एक नया चार्ट इंसर्ट करके देखते हैं, तो पाई चार्ट करके देख लेते हैं। तो पाई चार्ट ये तरीका, ठीक है, क्लिक किया। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट अ पाई चार्ट। अब पाई चार्ट में भी अगर आपको डिफरेंट टाइप का अगर कलर चाहिए, डिफरेंट टाइप के फॉर्मेट चाहिए, तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन चूज। यहाँ पे जाएंगे, यहाँ जाके देखिए ये आपका इस तरीके से आएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट द पाई चार्ट। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, इसको वापस डिलीट कर देते हैं। सेलेक्ट किया है हमने वापस इसी को, इसको सेलेक्ट करने के बाद में इंसर्ट में जाते हैं और इंसर्ट में जाके बार चार्ट कर लेते हैं। सो बार चार्ट करेंगे तो देखिए क्लिक किया बार चार्ट पे, तो ये देखिए। सो कॉलम चार्ट था वो था आपका वर्टिकल, और बार चार्ट एज अ हॉरिजॉन्टल शो होता है, ठीक है। सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड एज अ बार चार्ट। सो change the color of that particular bar chart, you just need to click on the design tab here, you can click it, or from here you can choose the different color for the bar chart. Okay, so now we will insert one more chart like area. So here you can choose the area chart. So this is how you can choose the area chart. Sonam 77, Rishabh, here this point denote the Rishabh's number, which is 72, between 72 to 74, 73 point something. Balpreet, which is stand as a here 65. Okay, and the Sangeeta, which is stand just below the 70. So 70, it's a 69.8. Okay, so here you can see the area chart. Okay, अगर एरिया चार्ट को आपको और किसी उसमें चेक करना है तो देखिए यहाँ पे आप लोग चेक कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे क्लिक किए, ये देखिए। सो दिस इज द अनदर डिजाइन ऑफ द एरिया चार्ट। सो आफ्टर click on the design bar, okay, and the click on these different colors you can choose here. Okay, so this is how you can insert the chart. I hope you are very well known about the charts in Excel and how you can insert chart in Excel. So after watching this video, you will so you have learned about the how you can insert the charts. So for the today, it's enough for now. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me. You can write your query in the comment section. And in the next class, we will see the remaining part of this chapter, which is that chart style design, different type of design. So I explained just the design in this video also. Okay, so देख लेते हैं एक बार वर्किंग विद द डिजाइन टैब। सो मैंने आपको डिजाइन टैब बता दिया था, ठीक है, कि किस तरीके से हम लोग डिजाइन अलग अलग चूज कर सकते हैं। तो आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन द डिजाइन you can choose a different type of templates or different type of colors for the charts. So next video we will learn about the some remaining point, which is switch row and column, modify the data, and remaining part of this chapter. So till then, next video, watch this video again, and if you have any doubts, so you are free to ask. So till the next video, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.